New developments this afternoon in the battle against wildfires in California. New brush fires are happening as wind gusts return. A red flag warning in effect now for the area until tomorrow night. At least 24 people are confirmed dead since the fire started a week ago. The latest, dubbed the Auto Fire, started last night in Ventura County. Firefighters have been working 24-hour shifts to contain those fires. Crews from out of state, including the Wyoming Air National Guard, are helping out.
This is the most dangerous flying that we do. We're leaving our families, we're leaving behind everything to come out and do the humanitarian effort for this.
A group of residents have filed lawsuits against a local utility company as investigators work to find out if it played a role in the Eaton fire. President Biden says he expects rebuilding costs to cost up to tens of billions of dollars.